Hello, I'm Mr. Parker, and I live on Music Street. We're all at home right now trying out this weird new way of learning, so why don't we turn music class into a TV show? Here's how we do it. First we do a warm-up and we dance upon the ground. Then put the words on the tips of our tongues and twist them all around. We take our vocal cords and then we get them all relaxed. Then echo songs for me to sing to you that you sing back. Then we'll sing in tandem just for fun, 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 fun. Reach into the grab bag, see what we can find. Books galore and stories so we don't all lose our minds. What's in Mr. Parker's house? Don't you wanna know? Then stuff for you to do after you finish up the show. It's the house